Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated different.
She's back. She's better. What's up, beautiful babes? It's Sweet Angel right here on Sugar Fingers. And yes, we have a nail supply haul today. Y'all, I am starting out with this cuticle oil. Why? Why? Because this isn't the only one that I have. If you can recall, a little while back, I purchased one of these already. And yes, this is Amazon, y'all. All of these items came from Amazon. So if you're looking for a deal, a bargain on nail supply items, Amazon is a definite go-to place. The Cuticle Natural Milk and Honey Cuticle Revitalizing Oil is right on Amazon. It's going to help nourish, soothe, and moisturize your cuticles and even your hands. Y'all, I apply this throughout the day on my hands and I love it. And it does definitely help to nourish my cuticle areas so they don't look all brittle and just dry. This is amazing. And yes, I have two. I keep one by my work desk when I'm working throughout the day to help to nourish my hands, my nails, and I also put one over by my nail station. Yes, I do. Now the next item you see here, I know you're wondering like, what is this? Is it chicken feet? No, honey, this is not no chicken feet. Your girl has to do all kinds of innovative things in order to make sure I don't wear out my own nails. So these are practice fingers. That's for acrylic nails, fake nails, etc., etc. You get 25 pieces of it so that you'll have your own little hand model or finger model right before you. And that's what I love, is that I can use these instead of continuously taking off my own nail enhancements and just use these. Simple as that. And I love it. How about that? Really cute, really interesting, I know. They actually come with a little sticky tab underneath them so that you can actually stick them on whatever desk area, wherever you're working at, so that you can have the hand steady and be able to maneuver and create amazing nail designs. I think that's super cool. They are definitely interesting looking, but they seem to be what I needed to do, practice artwork and stuff like that, because right now I'm not that good with it on my own hands, but I think these are going to work for me. What do you think? Do you think they're interesting or what? I guess I could have gotten a full hand and worked it that way, but usually when I do my nail art that I'm going to be practicing on, it's probably just going to be just a one finger at a time kind of thing, but I'll let y'all see it whenever that happens. Now moving on to the next item, this probably has nothing to do with nails, but I thought it would work to actually temporarily attach my nails, but it does not. These are actually glue dots and they are not really made for what I needed them for. So, you know, they are just more or less probably going to work for paper. But anywho, I got them. I did get them, but probably have another use for these later on. I think they're more better to work on like either just real plastic or perhaps paper or something like that, or poster boards. But I think they're designed pretty cute. They come in this little dispenser just like you would like a tape dispenser, and they're little dots and you just roll it on the area where you want it. Can you see that? My camera is saying no focus today, but it has a little sticky tab that you just roll it across wherever you're going to put it and pop on what you need. There we go. There we go. She finally woke up. Thank you so much, little camera. But it's not going to work for the nails, period. It's not even sticky enough for that, but I tried. It was just a thought, but at least I have them. What do you think? And it came in a 3-pack actually, but I don't think I'll be using it for anything but craft other than nails. Okay, but anywho, so much for that. Now moving on to items that you've already seen probably in a video. These I didn't purchase with my own money. They were sent to me. They were sent to me by Castany. and they are an Amazon seller, but I received these polishes, gel polishes. You get 6 polishes, and you also get a gel top coat, a glossy gel top coat. You also get the base coat, and you also get a matte top coat in these. I have the 2 sets. I got the classic gray and also got the burgundy red, but you should be able to check out a video of me actually swatching all of these. Look in the iCards or right down under this video in the description box, and they come packaged just like so. So if you know someone who does nails, this would be a perfect gift to share with them. And beautiful babes, if you're new to this channel, come on, subscribe. Don't cost you nothing. Come on in and hang out right here on Sugar Fingers. Okay, now in order to buff off my natural nails, I needed these so bad. The buffers I have are really a very tough grit. These are more milder and gentler for the actual natural nails. So much for that. Now I got a big old bag of false nails. These, y'all, are by McCart, and I needed these as well. This is the 500 pieces coffin nail tips. They're press-on nails, and they're long ballerina style. They're the clear kind, and they are the full coverage acrylic nails. So you actually get 10 tip sizes in here, and it's pretty cool. There you go. And I'm just trying to get my camera to focus again so you can actually see what they look like. But this is how it looks, and that is a whole bag of nails that I really need. And y'all have seen this organizer before, this acrylic cosmetic organizer. I bought one previously for my perfumes, but guess what? I bought one for my nail polishes too. Now this is the first one that I bought, and I said this works perfectly, and since I got some new nail polishes, let me go ahead and get another one. And there it is put together. I put my Madam Glam nail polishes on the left side, and I put all other gel polishes on the right side. So I have a little bit more room left, and y'all, I tell you what, I got to get these giveaways popping because I am going to run out of room real soon because I got more packages that are being shipped by brands. And now another big old bag of false nails by McCart. These, y'all, the other ones was the coffin nail shape, and these, my goodness, are these stilettos. Yes, I had to get some stilettos. I think they're such a beautiful shape. However, I have not really worn them that much, but I plan to. I'm going to do these stiletto nail tips real soon. But these are full coverage, so they're false nails. They're full coverage, and I look forward to checking those out. Now y'all know I love my Kiss Gel Fantasy Nails, the ready-to-wear gels. This is just a neutral color that I think I could wear, or I can enhance it with rhinestones, or since they are matte, I can even polish them with a glossy top coat if I want to. So they're very versatile. And then the final item I have here are these waterproof, breathable, jelly double-sided adhesive tabs. Was that not a mouthful? I wanted to get these. I thought they would be good for me just to stick on my nails temporarily, since again I do a lot of swatches nowadays, and I thought they would work just fine. All right, beautiful babes, that's it. That's my haul. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, y'all. I appreciate it time and time again. Tell somebody about the channel, and let's do some nails together. And you know, like, comment, subscribe, and keep those hands looking oh so gorgeous. Hey, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.